Good day, ma'am and sir, and to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Eche Michelle Interia, 27 years old, married. I have one child, 3 years old girl. My birthday is September 28, 1997, and my height is 150 centimeter, and I am 50 kilogram. I am college undergraduate by Bachelor's of Science in Accountancy. I did not finish my studies because of financial problem. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 3 years. I can take care of kids, baby, pets. I can cook Filipino foods and I am willing to learn to cook Chinese foods. I can iron your clothes, wash your clothes, washing the dishes, cleaning the house, and tutor with the kids. I can also play with them sometimes. To all employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I am easy to follow instruction, fast learner, honest, kind, patient, and I am willing to learn new skills. Thank you and God bless.